Giorgia and I am the Student Life Coordinator at Sant'Anna. In my series, I will show you how to prepare some of the most famous Italian dishes. Today, we will start preparing the tiramisù. To make a tiramisù for 4 or 5 people, you need 125 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 300 grams of mascarpone cheese, 90 grams of ladyfingers, some cocoa powder, coffee, and then a mixer and a dish. To prepare the real Italian tiramisù, first of all, we need to prepare coffee with the mocha. So, here, you put some water, then you put the filter. Okay, so see, there is just some water here, not too much. And then you take the coffee powder and you need to fill the filter.
Vino di una volta! Fai assaggiare un goccettino.
You close the mocha. Then now you need to put it on the fire, on the stove, for 5 minutes. Okay, so you will probably need to prepare a couple of mochas, okay, to have enough coffee for your tiramisù. The coffee is ready. Put it in a bowl and let it cool. Now let's start preparing the cream, the mascarpone cream for our tiramisù. So first of all, we need to separate the white part of the egg from the yolk. So here we put the white part of the egg and the yolk here.
Questa roba qua? Cioccolato svizzero? No? Cacao della Bolivia? No? Ma che cosa sarà mai?
Now we need to whip the egg white. You know the egg white is ready when it has thickened, you know, like this. Okay, now in the bowl with the yolks, we add the sugar. And now we need to whip the yolks with the sugar. Now if you see the color, it is almost orange. We need to whip it until it becomes like really almost white.
Ma perché? Come mai? Ma perché? In cucina non c'è.
So this is the color. We had the mascarpone cheese. And we mix it again.
Ma che bontà! Ma che bontà! Ma che gustino questa roba qua! Ma che bontà!
Last step, we need to add the white part of the egg we had already whipped to the cream. We have to mix it just with a spoon, not with the mixer, because it must stay really foamy. Okay, now it's ready. Now we need to layer our tiramisù. So first of all, let's put some cream on the bottom of our dish.
Fai assaggiare un goccettino, ma che bontà!
Then, okay, take one ladyfinger and you dip it in the coffee just for a couple of seconds because it must not become too soft. And then you put it in your dish. And then you keep on building your tiramisù. Okay, once you are done with the ladyfingers, you make one layer of cream. You need to add, let's say, 3-4 spoons.
Ma che bontà, ma che bontà, ma che gustino questa roba qua, ma che bontà.
Now the second layer of ladyfingers. Again, dip the ladyfingers in the coffee and start putting in the dish. If for the first layer you have put ladyfingers horizontally. For the second layer, you need to put the ladyfingers vertically, so that when you cut it into squares, it holds better. When you dip the ladyfingers into the coffee, see, it must not be completely wet. The second layer of ladyfingers is complete, and now the second layer of cream. Last step, some cocoa powder on top.
Ma perché? Come mai? Ma perché?
Okay, our tiramisu is finally ready, and we need to put it in the fridge for about 4 or 5 hours because it needs to chill, so that when you cut it into squares, it holds better. Okay, your tiramisu will be ready in 5 hours. And lastly, you can eat your leftovers.
No, bovino della gallura. No, ma che cosa sarà mai questa robina qua?